Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon to
Good
everyone.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon. Hello. Hello, Devansh. Hi, good afternoon to all. So we'll wait for a minute for everyone. Hello, Ivana ma'am. Hi, it's such a pleasure. And then we'll start. So I am sharing my screen on the second slide. Okay. Priyanshi, the moment you tell me, I will start whenever you feel.
Yes, ma'am. All set.
All set? Can we start? Okay. So I can see a few of us over here. Meanwhile, the others will be joining. I can see Devansh is here, Ivana ji is over here, Mona ma'am, and of course Shagufta ma'am. Shagufta ma'am was yesterday also always on camera, most of the times on camera. That is such a pleasure to see. Devansh, since everybody is just joining, in case you are comfortable, could you just open up the camera at least if it is comfortable to you?
Yes, ma'am. No problem. I can open my camera.
Sure, sure, sure. So at least for once, yeah, okay. Hi, such a pleasure to see you. All right. So you are in the university.
No, ma'am. Actually, I'm in 12th.
Oh, you're in 12th. That's great.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Right. And you're from which city?
Ma'am, actually, right now I'm in Ambala. My father is posted here.
Okay, so you're from defense background.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
let's say a high five. It's such a pleasure. Right. Why I'm saying is, I mean, we come from a defense family now. My husband is a Kargil war veteran, and very soon my son will be passing out as an officer.
Oh, great.
Congratulations in that.
So it's really a pleasure. Very, very nice. And I'm so happy, Devansh, at this age of yours, you plan and aspire to be also a public speaker along with whatever career you are planning. And this is really, really, really nice. It's going to, the communication skills definitely pay every single individual. So now you're comfortable.
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
for
Thank you,
opening
ma'am.
the camera and sharing. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so now let's take the flow of the session. And in case your choice, you can even close the camera. Absolutely, no worries at all. Right. So now here, what today the session I had requested in the WhatsApp group a couple of things. I'm sure all of us have seen the messages. A very quick, a few, things which I should immediately take from everyone. Like how many of you were very very quick? I'll take. How many of you were able to see all those 5 small videos which I had shared yesterday? They were at random. I had shared Anupam Kher. It was Chatur. It was Madhavan, R Madhavan. Right. Could you just very quickly open the unmute the mic and tell me, because I requested that when you see these videos, try to see the content, clarity, or whatever mistakes or the positive things. That is your choice. So would you like to give a quick glimpse of anything? Anybody can start. We have few as of now. Sejal, ma'am, right? Okay. The others will be joining, I'm sure, very soon. Or it's absolutely a choice. Yeah. There, anybody? Shagufta, ma'am, Devansh, Ivana, ma'am, Sejal, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please, please.
Ma'am, in R. Madhavan's video, we got to know more about his hand gestures, his voice modulation, how he tried to, control the audience, the way he depicted all the etiquettes and each and everything to make himself more presenter. On the other hand, Anupam Kher's video, as you told earlier, like being an authority, he showed some very comic scenes.
Very comic. It
Uh,
was so funny. I mean, so Anupam Kher, otherwise a lot of respect, very good actor. But here, when you see characters, so it was very nice, very well said. Thank you. Okay. Anybody else? Keep adding very
Ma'am, can
quickly.
I say?
Yeah. Sure, 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 ma'am. Yeah.
Yes. Ma'am, the body language of R. Madhavan and Abdul Kalam was very precise, very genuine, And the content that the R. Madhavan and Abdul Kalam presented was 100%. R. Madhavan
Correct.
focuses on how to talk, when to talk, and all about manners and etiquette, and what are the basic principles of life which each and everyone must follow in this whole world. And the Abdul Kalam stated everything, that how to develop and create your ideas and what to do when you are in downfall, and do not demotivate yourself, and how to motivate yourself. On the other hand, the Anupam Kher, though he was in the his he was behaving opposite his or the dignity, that is a police officer.
Correct.
And Chatur, he was very much Chatur was very much knowing about body language and everything, but he was not having an idea. The correct
The
idea
language,
what
the
to say.
linguistic problem was
Yes,
there. Correct.
yes,
Now,
yes.
in
Ma'am,
one,
and
yeah, thank you, Mona ma'am. One common thing which was there in each clip, even if it was a 4-minute clip or a 50-second clip, everything, if you see, there was a beginning and closing. The message was very clear. So, if that is something very interesting, based on this clarity of public speaking or clarity of communication, if you see, the entire social media handle called Instagram rolls on. And that was one reason I had requested yeah, Devansh, yeah, you want to speak? Yeah, please, please.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the R. Madhavan's video, like the actor, I have seen that the flow of words, like it, he spoke very slowly and it was concise. Ma'am, in Abdul Kalam, it was the same, like same thing, that he used hand gestures, and perfect hand gesture was there. And when we see, so we know that somebody experienced person is talking, so we know that. Ma'am, in the police one, the Anupam Kher one, ma'am, he was it was more like a comedy session. It was not
Absolutely.
sincere.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am.
So that's great. Thank you for the feedback and thank you for good observations. Yes, yes, Shagufta ma'am.
The content was very clear. The language was clear. We were able to understand the message was clear. Like they were prepared where they have started, what they want to say, and where they want to, and it has reached directly to our minds. We are thoughtful for what they have said. So the
Exactly.
content was very, like, it was crisp. It was
Yeah.
very crisp.
Very crisp. And that is the best part. See, what happens is when we are doing public speaking, whatever duration we are speaking, we have to plan accordingly. My whole idea to share these videos, the clips of these videos. Hello, Mukesh sir. A pleasure to see you over here. So the whole idea to share is that whatever the duration is, the concept clarity and the message to be delivered is very, very clear. Right. So none of the message was, except that Chatur thing with Chatur Wala, it could have continued a little longer. I had clipped the whole thing. So around that duration. So the whole idea was only to clip it and share it with you, not to share the whole video. The whole video is available on YouTube. Right. So thank you so much for having shared your ideas, because everything what I had shared was not for the heck of it. I never do. I never share any activity or anything just for the heck of it. The whole idea behind it is what are the learning outcomes? What is the purpose? How are we deriving out of it? Okay. How many of us in the session could actually go through slides 15 to 23 in between that where we were discussing yesterday, the challenges which we had discussed, and you could re-practice or you could recreate something out of it. You could recreate a PPT or something. Why I had given, I'll just share with you what was the purpose behind it. So, but anybody who had done that activity, you created another PPT out of it by copy pasting it or by taking screenshots and making a better PPT. Anybody? Could you do? Okay, no, none of us. Okay, so now I'll tell you the sequence of ideas why I had requested. If you see the task to be completed, number one task was, I'll talk about horn and all. So, when I had shared that slide 15 to 23, the first public, the whole idea is that even if you do not have a script, there is a pre-prepared script which I am giving. Right. That pre-prepared script is, of course, we had already discussed about the errors and the other things over there. You are going to recreate. You get an opportunity to create a PPT. The PPTs can be created on mobile. The PPTs can be created on laptop. The PPTs can be created anywhere. That's not a problem at all. Right. Once you create a PPT, it would have helped you do the rest of the assignments. The next assignment was to try to record yourself, think of a topic and speak. So I had already given you a script. All what was required was either a PPT or not without a PPT. and try to speak. Speaking is so simple. You have a mobile with you. Put that mobile, switch it on, record it. Simple. Why I asked you to do it on YouTube is because otherwise the mobile space will get cluttered. And now today in the session, I'm going to tell you one unique thing. When you use YouTube as a learning resource, only with yourself, nobody else's YouTube, only your handle. I will tell you how it can be a great teacher to you in the session. I'm going to help you out with that. Well, thank you so much for all those who tried, all those who are trying or will try. That's perfectly fine. Okay, now very quickly, could you tell me, you heard the sounds of horn, whistle, siren? Yes or no? So now, okay. So let's discuss about the sound modulations. What happens when it's a horn sound, a whistle sound, and a siren sound? Okay. Mukesh sir? Yeah, okay. Maybe. I thought Mukesh ji is speaking. Or now, anybody? Yeah, please.
Okay. A horn is loud, sharp, hanking sound used to alert or signal. For example, car horn. Now, whistle is like high-pitched shrill sound, often short and piercing. For example, referee. And siren is wailing or oscillating sound that rises and falls, used for emergencies. For example, police, ambulance. Even in army, sometimes the siren is used just to alert. So
Right.
these are the
On
differences.
7th and 8th of May this year, after 54 years, India experienced blackout, and then there were siren sounds and at various places. Now, not Operation Sindoor, some of us, I mean, all of us know about it, but after 54 years, this situation happened when India was getting trained and alert. Now, why I gave you these three sounds specifically? There were so many things I could have given. I could have given you generator. I could have given you music. Now let's recall horn. Now, whenever there is a horn, a truck horn, a car horn, a scooter horn, any horn sound, the horn is actually very loud, and the horn is a message, move, give way. Right. So horn is like wah, 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 something like that. So it's like move, give me way. So both जोर से लगता है कान में and people give way, or it is to tell or signal, tell a person that I am behind you. Right, पीछे reverse नहीं करो, कुछ नहीं करो. When it is whistle, like ma'am said, referee, आप Google पे search करोगे आपको मिल जाएगा. Right. So whistle sound is again alert, bringing an alert. Right. Whistle, some people, if they modulate, they can use it for music also. Right. Anybody over here who can blow whistle? किसी को आता है whistle बजाना? Please try करिए. Unmute and try. Like even I can try. So there's a sound. I'll tell you what we are doing. Yeah, yeah. Correct, Tanvi. Nice. Anybody else would like to? Devansh, तुमको तो सीटी बजाना आता होगा?
No, man, actually, I've never tried it.
You never tried? Okay. वो boys को बोलते हैं अच्छे बच्चे सीटी नहीं बजाते. नहीं नहीं, सीटी is for various things. Okay. Anybody else would like to try a whistle? Okay. Yeah. देखो, even I am good, but मैं तो सीटी बजाती हूँ. Okay, Mukesh sir, you're trying. Now, what happens is ये जो हम whistle otherwise is to capture attention. एकदम से आप whistle बजाते हैं, attention होता है, एकदम आपका ध्यान जाता है. You ever try in sports ground, anywhere you try the whistle, the moment the whistle is there, something, कोई message, some signal is there. या तो किसी ने fault किया है, कुछ किया है, तो whistle का मतलब वही होता है. But when we are trying whistling is a very good activity, inward or outward, you can do anything which way. It actually gives you a lot of long breathing and it helps you. वो मैंने balloon का इसके साथ balloon linked है. So whenever you blow a balloon by an inflator or by mouth, how do we blow a balloon? Any guesses? आप में से कोई करके बता सकता है कि balloon कैसे blow करते हैं, भरते कैसे हैं हवा? कैसे balloon में गुब्बारे में हवा भरते हैं? Okay? हाँ, correct. Sometimes we use an inflator also. Okay. Okay. So now what happens is, गुब्बारा में हवा भरने से पहले, if you see so you stretch it a little bit. आप पहले उसको stretch करते हो, and then you start filling it. So the whole idea is, before we speak, we must do a lot of practicing exercises to stretch the various vocal cords and nodes and the various nerves over here. So what happens is, we get parched a little lesser. Parched मतलब हमको गला कम सूखता है बोलते हुए. We are able to control the breath and we are able to modulate the voice. So three major things when we are doing stretching exercises with our throats, it helps us. आपको पता भी है, note भी कर सकते हैं आप चाहें तो. One, your mouth will get lead parched. बोलते बोलते गला कम सूखेगा. Otherwise गला सूखता है और आपको पानी की जरूरत पड़ती है. So had you noticed yesterday during a 1.5 hour session, I did not take any sip of water. Right? क्योंकि जरूरत पड़े तो पी लीजिए, ऐसी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. But when we are in public speaking, sometimes you are on big stages, you don't have an opportunity to drink water. आपको बोलते ही रहना पड़ता है. So if you are not in practice of speaking, what is going to happen is it's something like this. So the moment you are actually doing this sound of so it is actually further यहाँ पर और further, it is actually becoming more harsh. So you will have to take a pause and then you will have to start again. So it's not a very good idea कि आप public speaking करते वक्त अचानक से आ जाए. Anything is okay. That's an अचानक. But otherwise, so 3 things. A balloon is a very, very good activity. Balloon को blow नहीं करना है, balloon से सीखना है. That you have to practice in blowing out. Take out your tongue, open your buccal cavity. Doctor बोलता है ना मुंह खोलो. Everybody, doctor. So imagine I'm a doctor and I'm asking everybody open your mouth. Camera off or on. You can open your mouth. Take out your tongue. Please, everybody, those who can. Camera नहीं भी है तभी भी आप try कीजिए. Don't feel shy. Take out your tongue. ऐसा लगता है कि मुंह में टॉर्च डाल रहे हैं. And open your mouth and try to take out sound and you will feel the difference. ऐसा टॉर्च करके. So what is doing? You are actually helping de-stressing. You are de-stressing these vocal cords over here. Then we had also given you an activity of ABCD or different alphabets or A, E, E, where you can practice the various sound or phonetics, how the sounds are going to modulate when they come out. So this was a very good practice. Again, I'll say that all those who are doing or will be doing, the whole idea is please record yourself and see how you are doing it. It is going to help. Okay, now once again, I'm going to share my screen. Let's take the flow for today. Right, because today is one very important thing which was asked yesterday time and again. Yeah, so yesterday it was asked time and again that, how to be more confident. So this was one question and today we are going to put a lot of emphasis on how to be more confident. One question which I said आप मुझे remind कीजिएगा, but of course नहीं कोई reminder नहीं आया था, but I remember myself that how do we do a live need analysis? हम audience का need analysis कैसे करेंगे? Today I'm going to share that also because that is also part of becoming more confident. That adds to your confidence. Now, if you see on this slide, it is over here by preparing well. 4 points. आप agree करेंगे नहीं करेंगे? That's totally your choice. And by preparing well, by overcoming anxiety. How do we come over anxiety? Today I'm going to tell that also now only. By wearing attractive clothes or not. Now it depends. Like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was never attractively dressed. Attractive तो कहीं से थे ही नहीं वो. Right, his positioning was different, but अगर कोई उनको बोले he was very handsome or attractive, no, he was not. Right, but he was a very brilliant person indeed. Right, similarly, you can talk about many people. Gaur Gopal Das, somebody said yesterday, Sadhguru, they are not very beautiful people or handsome people, right? But they still speak. Like BK Shivani, she's a prolific speaker again, but then she's not very beautiful if somebody says. Right, so she's a very simple person. Now here, now you can add more points. What makes you confident? Like there are people, those who feel very confident when in a particular way, when they wear high heel shoes, ladies I'm talking about, right? Men, when they are formally dressed, they feel very good. There are different people who feel confident in different ways. Yes, Shabam ma'am. You raised your hand. Yeah, hi.
Ma'am, as you were asking about how to be more confident, the eye contacts with everybody, it makes more confident for the speaker.
Okay, I'll make a correction to it. I'm noting down the point of eye contact. I'll tell you how eye contact can be disastrous and how eye contact can make you actually a winner. So I'm going to tell you about eye contact. Thank you for highlighting that point. Right, eye contact is part of body language and I'm definitely going to talk about it. Now, number one, there are 3 rules. So the 3 rules are accuracy, brevity, and clarity. ABC, right? So the ABC rule is you have to be, whatever your topic is, stick to the topic. You have to be accurate to the topic. You cannot be like a jalebi that you have to speak about India and you start speaking about the world and then Asia and then you come to India. If it is a scripted thing, that's a separate thing. If it is not scripted, and it was not planned and you were doing a goal, gumo, gumo, and then you were speaking, then the whole. So accuracy to the topic, to the point is very, very important. When I say brevity, so people, when they are in a session to be there for 3 hours, 5 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, you have to break down the topic into multiple areas. Right. Otherwise, the same thing you cannot keep dragging. If you are dragging the same thing, then it will become boring. Right. So suppose you have to speak for 1 hour. After every 15-20 minutes, you should be adding a new element or a new idea to it. So if we recall our yesterday's workshop, let's talk about yesterday's workshop. You had shared your learning outcomes, but can you tell me how did we break down that 1 hour topic into 3-4 points, into 3-4 segments? What was the breakdown we did? How did we start? How did we close? Okay, I'll quickly take you over here. I'll support. I have the PPT over here. I'll quickly support. So we started the session. I talked about myself in brief. Then we were talking about challenges, correct? See how many subpoints we took. We were talking about challenges. Then I gave you some top tips in the beginning of the session. After the top tips, we talked about various speakers, correct? Then after the various speakers, we said the names keep changing. Then we did a practice activity. We did a practice activity of around 9 slides, correct? And we identified various errors. How did I break down the same public speaking? Right. The same public speaking was further broken down into why public speaking can help every single person. So there were some clear ideas over here. We talked about vocal exercises. We tried doing various vocal exercises by various methods. Then we talked about the key effective skills, that is the closing. Now from here, the conclusion or the closing started happening. We said that tomorrow we are going, day 2, we are going to talk about this. And then we had quick videos. I'll skip past it. We had quick videos. And then I said that, are you prepared? Do some topics come to your mind? So there was a task given, and then we are here, day 2. So we had broken down one single public speaking topic into multiple areas. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
That is a valuable thing for any public speaker. Even if you are speaking, say, any simple topic you say, if you are speaking about, say, articles in English, if you are speaking about ratio and proportion in maths, just giving you examples. If you are speaking about, say, rivers in geography, if you are speaking about French Revolution in history, any topic you are speaking about, you need to plan how are you going to conclude it, start and conclude. What are the sub concepts or subtopics you're going to deal, and after how long are you going to bring the topic? Agreed or disagreed? Right. Thank you. That is going to keep the interest on of the listener. Otherwise, interest टूट जाएगा and usko लगेगा हो गया, bore हो, आगे बढ़ो भाई. You know, that is the thing which is going to come. Mukesh sir, yesterday we heard a lot of you. Today I have not yet heard you. So मेरे को लग रहा है कि are you occupied? Would you like to add something?
I'm just listening. I'm listening actually. I'm collecting some points. I'm writing some points. What you were telling about.
Thank you. Your points were very valuable when you were adding yesterday.
Thank you. Yes.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Right. So now let's try. Now these 3 rules pre-drawn down and the clarity. The A, B, C I've given. D I will give you when I come to questions. So public speaking के 4 rules है. A, B, C, D. तो A, B, C मैंने अभी बताया. I've told you A, B, C. D I will give you when I come to questions. Correct? Okay. So accuracy, brevity, clarity. Clarity बहुत जरूरी है. आपको खुद clear नहीं है. Somebody आपको लग रहा है मैं doubtful datas दे रहे हैं. Don't give those datas. Okay. Now, please tell me, even if you have not chosen a topic, I would like to know what are your methods in PSS public speaking. What are your methods in public speaking? आपका कौन सा style है बोलने का? What is your style of speaking? Please tell me. Think and tell me your style. I will show you a lot of styles. मैं दिखाने से पहले पूछ रही हूँ and I'll try to note down. What is your style of speaking? Yeah. Any guesses to your own style? कुछ style आपको कल video या मुकेश सर?
Well, when I have taken some sessions of my staff members, some other school staff members also, it's open style in the sense I include everyone. I interact with each and every member of the session, whoever is attending that. I do not leave anyone whether the person has to either do a nod a little bit, but I think that everyone should be attached with the session, not only physically, even the mentally also.
Right. Okay, great. Fantastic. So 5 listeners ke sare points you brought in over here. I should definitely clap. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody else? Can you tell me what is your style of speaking? Your method or style? Yes, Shabam ma'am. Please. Everybody, we are
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I would like to move around the public whom with the audience. Then whom I am addressing, I must look into their face. There must be a two-way process. I mean, interaction must be there between the audience and the speaker.
Correct. So you
that-
use a method of interaction and connection, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, interaction
Uh,
and connect. Okay, yes, Navneeta ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi.
My method will be first eye contact, and second, I will start my presentation with something question, one very interesting question or story.
Okay, so you try to invoke curiosity in your audience. Okay, so your style is a
Ma'am, and
curiosity. Yes.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
also
And when
have-
I speak to ma'am, I usually maintain an eye contact, but that is not for too long because people are like that. I'll end up laughing. And the second thing is that when I speak very slowly so that I know what's the next word I'm going to speak. So it helps a lot during speaking.
Okay, Lily ma'am, Sejal ma'am, both ka dono. Thank you, Devansh. Yeah, okay.
I also, ma'am, when I interact with the people that I move around and having some activities regarding to whatever speakings are there, topics related activities also because sometimes I feel that when they are listening continuously, so they feel some people they feel like a sleepy, and some people maybe not attention on it. So activities also required somewhere.
Activity again, curiosity, like ma'am,
Right.
Navneeta ma'am was also telling. Sejal ji, Shagufta ma'am, yeah, everybody.
Ma'am, like most of the time we have to use the school stage to interact with the parents, with the students. So it's always two-way because even parents keep asking questions when we are having an orientation or we are doing some program or we are giving annual reports, we are calling them for some function. So it is always two-way because they are also given a chance to speak. And most of the time it is like a question-answer type of session because
Okay.
we have
Again,
to
interactive.
answer to their queries also. It's mostly type of interaction also, and
Interactive.
our messages also we are giving them, we are taking and noting their points also, and then we work on it. So it's
Great.
a two-way type of
It's a two-way methodology.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right. Ivana ma'am, Himlata ji, Mahua, Mona ma'am, anybody, please keep Sejal ji, you were mentioning trying to Sunita ma'am, yeah, please.
Good
Tanvi,
afternoon,
huh? Yeah, hi.
Actually, I like to add a little humor when I'm speaking, and when I'm done discussing the topic, I would like to ask for feedbacks or follow-up questions.
Wow. That's amazing. So you're using humor also in between. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. So it doesn't get boring.
Right. So let's see. Thank you for all these answers. And meanwhile, the others are thinking. You can add in, anybody wants. Use chat box if you want to add. I'll read everything. So these are a few popular or common styles. Now what you see on the screen is like lecture, interactive, which you have mentioned, humor. There are people who like no nonsense kind, very serious speakers, and then storytelling. So these are few very common methods. If you try to identify, like yesterday we were searching most popular speakers in the world, most popular speakers in the country, in India, they have only these methods. Okay, let me break it down for you. If you see religious, so we have seen religious speakers, we have seen political speakers, we have seen entertainers. ये सब हमने देखा है. आप अगर stand up में जाएंगे, so they are entertainers, right? And storytelling is entertainment, correct? You have seen celebrities, people from Hollywood, Bollywood, वो सब entertainers ही हैं, right? You have seen people, those who are political speakers, you have seen religious speakers, alag. Now, let me give you, and from here, I will also try to do some body language with you. Since I'm sitting, right, normally, like when I share videos, you must have seen I share videos from normally 2 or 3 places, the studios which we have. One I try to do from the LED board behind me, and then I do a standing thing. I use different places. So let's imagine what happens with all these styles, the most common ones, a few common things in body language. So There, when it is a one-on-one thing, right? You can note it down also if you want. First listen to me and look at me. So when somebody is sitting across the table, the more senior you are, the size of your table increases. आपका table का size बढ़ता जाता है, right? So like in normally जो social distance होता है, it is आपका पूरा हाथ 1.5 feet, right? आप try कीजिएगा, it is only 1.5 feet, right? इतना ही होता है. आप किसी के भी पास खड़े होंगे, if somebody comes closer, you will move back automatically. तो आप कभी किसी के साथ खड़े होकर, now we are online, you can try and accept. इनसे ज्यादा जो क्लोज जोन में आते हैं, people who come very in a close personal zone, they are like our children, spouses, very close friends, mother, father, जो हमारे बहुत close हैं, only those people will come in a zero zone, correct? उन लोग को हम लोग अपना बॉडी के पास अलाउ करते हैं. अदरवाइज एवरीबडी वी आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल ओनली व्हेन दे आर दिस मच डिस्टेंस अपार्ट, 1.5 डिस्टेंस, राइट? सो यू विल, सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड आइडिया. आप अगर किसी स्टूडेंट से भी बात कर रहे हैं, दिस इज अ सोशल डिस्टेंस व्हिच एवरीबडी मेंटेन्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट. सोशल डिस्टेंस में पब्लिक स्पीकिंग नहीं होता. सोशल डिस्टेंस के अंदर यू आर कम्युनिकेटिंग, राइट? पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इस जोन के बाद स्टार्ट होता है. द जोन, I will tell you the 3 zones now for public speaking. So the 2 zones which I have told you, 0 zone, that is only for personal people, personal friends and all. 1.5 feet, it is a social zone, right? Normally आप शादी में, school में, कहीं पर भी, anywhere. You imagine a place wherever you are standing. If you are comfortable, आप इतना, right? Friends थोड़ा और पास आ सकते हैं in between, but general distance is this. Okay, now a classroom is around 10 to 15 feet of distance. This is the third zone. Body language, I'll start telling you from here. This is the third zone. 10 to 15, 10 से 15 feet. Our double bed is of around 5.5 to 6 feet. I'll give you various calculations ताकि आपका mind बने. ये calculations are very important because when you're doing public speaking, you have to calculate that at what distance people are sitting from you, right? ये मैं एक normal classroom जहाँ पर कोई stage नहीं है, and these people are very close to you, right? So जो classroom होता है हमारा, वो generally 2.5 bedroom size का bed का size होता है. A bed is around 6 feet. आप उसको उस तरह से calculate कर सकते हैं. Now what happens over here? I will keep telling you the eye contact method also. I'll keep telling you the body language method also, and I'll keep telling you the movement also. What you can do, what you cannot do. Ideally, बाकी आपको जो करना है, that is your personal thing. मैं आपको suggest करती जाती हूँ. Now, in a place which is a 10 to 15. So suppose I am sitting in this room. ये room generally एक जो normal room का size घर में बना होता है, वो 10 to 12 feet का बना होता है. Classroom थोड़ा उससे बड़ा होता है. That is why I said 15. In a classroom of 15 feet का length का जो classroom है, 12 by 15 का classroom का length के अंदर, we say 40 children, and उसके अंदर movement का बहुत place होता है for children and the teacher also, right? Even the children can move around. बहुत tight छोटे classrooms की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, एक अच्छे classroom का बात कर रही हूँ. Is it okay? Everybody with me? Okay. Now what happens is, how will you maintain the eye contact? Now please see the eye contact rule which I tell you now. अगले 2 जोन में आई कॉन्टैक्ट का रूल चलेगा. मैं आपको इमेजिन करिए, आई एम नॉट लुकिंग इन द कैमरा, आई एम लुकिंग फ्रंट. मैं सीधा देख रही हूँ. नाउ एंड देयर आर, आई एम इमेजिनिंग देयर आर पीपल सिटिंग ओवर हियर, राइट? सो आई एम ब्रेकिंग डाउन. लेट मी डू वन थिंग, आई विल हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड बेटर. ओके, राइट? सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज, let me do one thing. I'll make it better for you so that everybody understands better. So, okay. Now here I've taken a pen. Please see on the screen. Right. Now you are standing over here. This is the speaker. This is front. Right. ये पूरा एक classroom है. This is the classroom. Correct? Everybody? Okay. Now the speaker is standing over here. यहाँ पे speaker खड़े हुए हैं. The speaker is looking in front. The speaker is looking here. The speaker is looking here, right? And the speaker is looking पूरा पीछे तक. Now the audience which is sitting, ये अलग-अलग जगह audience बैठी हुई है. ये अलग-अलग जगह ये audience बैठा हुआ है, right? ये, right. Now what is happening over here? Please try to see. If the speaker keeps looking, अगर speaker किसी एक जन को ही देखते रहे लगातार, what is going to happen is the person will feel, why are you looking at me? कहीं और देख लो. Yes or no? अगर
Then
आप
that
एक
person
जन,
will get nervous.
correct, and the others, बाकी लोग feel करेंगे आप उनको ही देख रहे हो, उनसे ही बात कर रहे हो, you are not looking at me. So both the things go wrong. What the speaker has to do, you cannot look at everybody every time. Please note my words. You cannot look at everybody every time, right? But you can keep looking at everybody at different times. You can keep looking at everybody different times. Correct? Okay. I'll try to do it again. मैं दोबारा से करती हूँ, आप imagine करिए. I'm telling you different zones. Right? I'll be using again a pen. Right? And this is the, sorry. Okay. Yeah. Correct. Right. So this is the point where the speaker is standing. Correct? This is the place where the audience is sitting. Second, this I'm coming to the fifth zone. This time it is not a classroom. यहाँ पर एक stage है. This is a stage over here. Right? Let us understand. This is a stage over here. Correct? On this stage, the speaker is standing. Yeah. The podium can be over here. Podium यहाँ हो सकता है. Podium side में हो सकता है. Right? आपके पीछे there is a PPT which is going behind you. Correct? Is it okay? Now there are people. ये stage के आगे इतना gap है. यहाँ पर इतना gap छोटा हुआ है. Right? यहाँ पर gap है. And यहाँ पर people are sitting. The people are sitting over here. ये थोड़ा auditorium style हो गया. Correct? People are sitting over here. In a class हमने 40 का setting लिया था. In auditorium, anything from 100 to 500 people can sit. Think of a small movie hall. Correct? Now here, body language में again eye contact का same rule. You cannot imagine a speaker standing over here and only looking at a person sitting over here. ये बाकी लोग क्यों आए फिर? The other people will feel, why am I over here? This person is only speaking. यहीं पे बात कर रहे हैं. Correct? So the rule is, it's very, very important that we will, okay, so this is wrong. ये नहीं करना है. Right? What are we supposed to do? Let's go back again. I'll take a pen and, so the speaker, now, okay, let me change the ink so that it is better for you. आपको अच्छे से दिखाई देगा. What the speaker has to do, the speaker cannot look at everybody all the time. The speaker will keep looking at different people at different times. Right? The speaker will keep looking at different people, different times. Different people, different times. Different people, different times. Correct? Right? Everything very simple. Okay, let's change the scene. Let's change the scene. And now let us go to, suppose this is a very big stage. इस बार मैंने stage green color से बना दिया. Right? ये very big stage. Right? जगह जगह पर डांडिया की तरह या म्यूजिक नाइट की तरह या विज्ञान भवन की तरह जगह जगह पर एलईडी स्क्रीन्स लगे हुए हैं जहां पर आपको स्क्रीन से दिखाया जा रहा है. Right? People are watching you. There are big screens. There is an audience of 1,000, 2,000 people. Annual function, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Correct? Anything. Now what happens over here? Right? Now the speaker, right? The speaker can come. The speaker यहाँ पर podium लगा हुआ है. Speaker can come and stand on the podium and speak. Speaker को mic दिया. Speaker can come center में खड़े होकर बोल सकते हैं. Now what happens over here? Speaker is, ये audience यहाँ पे दूर बैठी हुई है. आप देख रहे हो gap बढ़ गया. Gap बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया. Correct? And speaker audience से eye contact नहीं ले पा रहे. Because ये audience बहुत दूर बैठी है. Right? There are 1,000, 2,000 people. But still, अगर speaker, now imagine, मैं फिर से आप ink color change करती हूँ. I'll change the ink color and I'll take blue ink over this time. आप imagine कीजिए कि speaker बोलना start किए और यहाँ पर ही इसी side की audience को देखते रहे. Right? वो यहीं पर इसी audience को देख रहे हैं. Right? बार बार थोड़ा चल के जाते हैं, फिर आके इधर की audience. फिर चल के जाते हैं, थोड़ा इधर चल के जाते हैं, फिर आके इधर की audience. फिर चल के जाते हैं, फिर आके इधर की audience. What is this audience going to feel? This audience is going to feel rejected. ये audience को rejection feel होएगा. Yes or no? Correct. So what is the rule of a speaker? कितनी भी बड़ी stage क्यों नहीं हो, Right, I'm choosing another color now for your ease. कितनी भी बड़ी stage क्यों नहीं हो, if the speaker is standing over here, speaker has to see at different angles at different time. अलग अलग जगह उसको देखना ही है. कभी उसको पीछे बोलना है, people, so that is how the speaker. I hope ये मेरे जो sketches मैंने किए, you are able to understand a little bit. Please ask me questions, and now I will further move ahead. Please ask me questions. I can sketch anything, right? I can. मैं normal PPT पे कर रही हूँ, आपके सामने ही कर रही हूँ. Anybody can use anything. No worries. Okay, let's do एक चीज और करते हैं. Yes. Sir?
I suppose there is a session. We are taking a session. What about the light arrangements?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes the area is not completely under proper light. So what type of light arrangement? The light should be on the speaker, in the front of the speaker, in the side, back side.
Right, sir. Right. Correct. Now I'll do one thing. I'm sharing my screen, and now I'm taking I've opened a few photographs on Google. मैंने Google पर कुछ photographs open करा. Everybody can see the photographs. अलग-अलग आप enlarge करके देखिए. Now this is the last stage मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, and I'm going last मतलब जो मैंने आपको fifth zone बताया. Now here what happens is, now imagine this is the image. मैं इसको और बड़ा कर लेती हूँ. This is a TEDx image. Okay, वो image ही गायब हो गया. I'll go back. I'll take a different image. No worries at all. Okay. Now here on TEDx talk में क्या होता है? If you see, there is always a red. आपको ये दिख रहा है मेरा cursor? There is always a red thing. Spotlight पर बंदा होता है. The light is always on the person. The people, the audience are generally in dark या हल्का light होता है. And the entire focus is on the person, and the spotlight moves only from person to the PPT. आप ये देखेंगे, person to the PPT. Person to the PPT. Right? ऐसा ही move करता है. Person to the PPT. Person to the PPT. इतना ही move करता है. Okay, next. Now this is a small stage. ये small stage का setup है. Small stage का setup के अंदर जो light होता है, because normal आप auditorium में देखेंगे तो light दो तरफ से आके पड़ता है, theater setting. तो दो तरफ से light होता है, बीच में projector होता है, और projector पीछे PPT पर होता है. तो जो person होता है, तो that is why ये जो podium है, podium दिया होता है, that is why इसको ऐसा set करते हैं कि अगर person यहाँ खड़ा होएगा तो light ज्यादा आएगी, but if the person moves in between तो light उतना नहीं पड़ेगा. So light setting आप वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए तो लाइट सेटिंग ले सकते हैं, बट अदरवाइज इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट विदाउट. नाउ आई विल शो यू. मैं अगर ये हटाती हूँ, आई ट्राई टू डू वन थिंग. आज मैंने इसीलिए लाइट सेटिंग लेके रखा है. सो डू यू सी, मैं अगर लाइट बंद करती हूँ, दिस इज द सेटिंग. डू यू फील द डिफरेंस ऑन माई फेस? Right, and this is this is the difference when I take the front light. So today we had planned it in such a way कि हम आपको difference दिखाएंगे कि how does it happen, what is the planning. The light actually will keep changing. मैं light की intensity change करती हूँ. आप देखिए मेरा face पर light effect change आ रहा है. Please look at my face little carefully. You will see that how the light effect changes the effect on my face. Correct? So if the light has to be there, the light has to be matching what kind of light effect do you want accordingly. अगर आप manage कर सकते हैं, if it is your auditorium, you have visited over there earlier, it is okay. Otherwise, if it is night time speaking or a closed auditorium, plan it in such a way that the enough light should be there on the material which you are showing. पीछे आप जो material दिखा रहे हैं, and reasonable light should be on you, right? And audience can be अगर बड़ा stage है. So these are the pictures of बड़ा stages I am showing you. All बड़ा stages over here. Correct? Everybody comfortable with these images? मैंने सिर्फ Google पे type किया है stage and public speaker, just to show you a different thing. Okay, correct. Right? This is how. Podium बीच में हो सकता है. As I am showing you, ये podium बीच में हो सकता है. Right? Podium side में भी हो सकता है. Normally international setting के अंदर podium या पर्सन बीच में ही होता है. राइट? इंडियन सेटिंग्स के अंदर हम साइड में लगाते हैं स्टेज के. आपने जहां भी इंडियन एनुअल डेज, इंडियन कुछ भी देखा होगा, इंडिया के अंदर पोडियम साइड में लगाते हैं, स्टेज के साइड में लगाते हैं. करेक्ट? यस और नो? यस. एंड इंटरनेशनल सेटिंग इज ऑलवेज इन द सेंटर. If you see, international setting is always in the center. Right? So now we start gradually in India also, we have started following the center staging. So the center staging is a very good stage. So I'm doing a stop share. Okay, let's ask more questions. Then I'll talk about the body language. I'll talk about eye contact, and I'll talk about the zones also. So I'm talking 5 zones. Repeat करती हूँ. 1 0 zone only for personal. 1.5 feet again normal social. Around 15 feet a classroom setting. Right. More than that, उससे बड़ा हो गया जहाँ पर 100 to 500 people बैठे हैं, a small auditorium, and 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, 5,000 people. It's an open gathering where you generally don't do an direct eye contact with people. Everybody with me? Okay. Any questions in mind? Please ask. I'll continue. Meanwhile, बाद में भी आएंगे. Group है बना हुआ. No worries at all. Personal DM भी कर सकते हैं. No worries at all. Right. So, but DM group में करेंगे तो क्या होता है? एक question से many people get benefited. Sorry. This was what I was doing. Right. This is my last slide which I was showing. So these are the common methods: lecture, interactive methods. Interactive like how अब हम कहाँ कर सकते हैं? Let us understand हम कौन सी public speaking किस setting में कर सकते हैं? So when it is lecture, a lecture mode will go anywhere, everywhere, but. Now this but is very important. But the person speaking plays a very important role. If we are Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, हमको 5,000 की भीड़ भी लेक्चर सुनेगी. But if we are not Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, public has full right to say, अरे क्या कितना boring चल रहा है. What is this happening? So the personality definitely will matter because lecture can be question answer based, lecture can be interactive, lecture can be data giving, lecture can be only statistics, lecture can be pure gyan. So be very mindful if we are doing a lecture mode. So that is why lectures are restricted to classrooms in schools and universities. Please agree or disagree. Let me know. Right. Thank you. Thank you. Any questions? Anytime. Okay. What is interactive? And how much interaction is required? Interactive means, like Astha ma'am said, Shri Gupta ma'am said, many of us said, in the beginning, you will ask a question of curiosity and then you will play the flow. So, यहाँ पर आपको ये time ध्यान रखना है कि अगर अच्छे answer भी आ रहे हैं, you have to आपको wrap up कितना minutes में करना है, that should be your planning. So, suppose you have asked a question. Like I asked, suppose मैं question आप सबसे पूछ लेती हूँ, right? And okay, so what will happen if the sun does not rise for a month, for 30 days? What will happen if the sun does not rise for 30 days? Let's have a few answers.
It will be dark. There will be oxygen. Plants will not have oxygen.
No light.
We will not have oxygen. They will not grow.
Ma'am, no photosynthesis. Ma'am, photosynthesis will
No
not
photosynthesis. No food, further no food, correct. Okay, anybody else?
We will be since like a blind.
Will be such like blind. Okay. Now, there are around, including me, I think there are around 17, 18 people in the session. Correct? Naya. Thank you, Tanvi. Your answer is also correct. Now, what I can do is I have one choice. One, I can take all 15, 16 answers. One, and then what will happen? Repeat honge answers. Right. So others will start getting bored. One, the choices I take 2, 3 answers and say, yes, perfectly. Others can think and let us move ahead. The third option which I have, that your answers are correct. But in Antarctica, 6 months the sun rises and 6 months the sun does not rise. But the life still exists over there. To give you an added, correct. So, yes, Mona ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, you're right. True.
Correct.
It is
right.
true.
Thank you, ma'am. So now, if you have asked a question, always have something interesting about planning ki kya log answer de sakte hain. Right. Uske alawa kuch interesting apne paas zarur rakhiye. That is the planning. That is why the good public speaker will not always read. A good public speaker also speaks from here. Correct? Everybody agrees with me? Now that is because आपने केवल आंसर लिया और yes हो गया तो उनको लगा हमसे ही पूछ के हमको yes कर रहे. Always try to tell something unique. Always try to bring in something nice. Okay. So interaction कितना करना है? interaction in 1 hour session, adults, right? Adults ke session mein 1 hour every 15-20 minutes, try to bring some interaction. When you are doing a 30-40 minute school classroom, school के बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं, up to 15, 16, 17 years of age, in a 40 minute, उनकी sitting generally 40-45 minutes से ज़्यादा नहीं करते एक बार में. So in 40-45 minutes, your interaction can be generally after every 10 minutes. तो 40 मिनट में आप 3 से 4 बार सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. But you have to plan when to close, because it's not a question and answer session. It is a okay. Next, third. I'm forgetting, शायद सेजल मैम ने बोला था humor. Now humor is a very difficult task. मतलब किसी को रुलाना आसान है, हंसाना मुश्किल है. So humor has to be handled very sensitively. You know, some of our jokes can be irritating to others. So we are not stand-up comedians. In case you plan to be, perfectly fine. बिल्कुल आप हम में से कोई बनेगा, right? Humor के लिए भी. But in case you are using only humor to gain some attention, make everybody laugh, तो उसको थोड़ा controlled रखना है. Agree to me? Okay, right. So when it is a serious talk, now this is the serious talks can be either boring, sometimes boring. I'll tell you why. मैं बताती हूँ, अभी example भी देती हूँ. They can be very boring, or they can be high information overload. Right. Serious talks may high information over, like scientists, a science conference where the scientists are there and they're going to talk about what have the researches happened, the defense internal plannings. They talk about serious datas. Right. It can be overload of information. Your minds have to be alert. You have to be noting down. You have to be like remembering so many things. Or it can be completely boring, off track. क्या हो रहा है? मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. So, in general practice, normal public speaker does not go into a very serious zone. Agreed? Okay. Feel free to disagree at any point of time. We can have a discussion. Please don't say yes to every answer. If you feel no, say no. Right? Okay. The last popular method given over here is storytelling, which is a very popular method. Now decide. Two things have to be decided into storytelling. Are you a storyteller, and is that entire session planned for storytelling? If yes, you can go on telling stories. But if you are using story as an anecdote or story as a tool or a device, use it for a limited time and use it only as an activity, and focus on your accuracy, brevity, clarity. Focus on the clarity of your topic. Any questions? I'll take a pause. Any question? Okay, can I move ahead?
Ma'am, like in a very serious public speaking session, like can we add a story for for the
100%. Yes.
audience to get
Yes.
involved?
Thank you, Devansh, for this question. So in the situations which I have given you, a very serious thing. So normally here case studies are discussed. Case study is automatically a story. A situation is discussed. A situation can be built on a story. Correct? A real life example can be done. It can be a story, right? And it has to be related, or it must be having some data or some relevant fact or factors which affect that serious talk. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you for the question. Very profound question, right? Okay, now let me move ahead. So now, this was a question which I left yesterday. How to do a need analysis? Okay, now I have completed a few things. अब तक मैं आगे बढ़ गई हूँ, पर मैं पीछे का क्या मैंने complete किया. So we were talking about how to be more confident. We were talking about 3 rules, ABC rules. Then I talked about what is a different method. I talked about different body language and body zones over here. And I was also talking about eye contact. So you cannot be maintaining line, जो important line थी, eye contact with everyone every time, but you can be maintaining eye contact with different people at different times. Correct? Then we talked and moved about the different methods or different styles. And now I'm coming to the next subtopic, what to know about the audience. आपको कैसे नीड एनालिसिस लाइव में करना है. अगर नहीं बताया, somebody has not told you that what does your audience, what is the style of your audience, आपकी ऑडियंस को क्या सुनना पसंद है, नहीं बताया किसी ने आपको, राइट. पार्टी लोगों ने बोला कि सर पता नहीं, मैम पता नहीं, वी हैड जस्ट, हमने तो लोगों को इनवाइट किया था, दे ओपन इनवाइटीज, वी डिड नॉट आस्क, राइट. आपकी मर्जी, आप कैसे भी बोलिए, ये तो सब आपको सुनने आए हैं. एनीथिंग कैन हैपन. सो नाउ व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो, वेरी नाउ दिस इज, ये जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, आई थिंक इट इज अगेन one of the focus area of public speaker, right? So remember, please look at the points which I have mentioned over here. Are you pleasing them? क्या आप बोलो, प्लीज 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 मेरी बात सुनो, प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज, ये बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है, प्लीज अगर आपने ये नहीं सुना तो यू नो यू आर गोइंग टू मिस अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आर यू विद मी? हाय, प्लीज, आर यू लिसनिंग? व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? आपको क्या ये बार बार करना पड़ रहा है? दैट मीन्स अगर करना पड़ रहा है, द ऑडियंस हैज लॉस्ट इंटरेस्ट. You can make a note of it, right? How will you get to know that you are boring them? आपको कैसे पता चले कि वो आपसे बोर हो रहे हैं? Second point over here, are you boring them? So whenever आपको live analysis मिलता है, if you feel, आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? 1, they've stopped giving any answer to you. 2, उनका body language पीछे, look at me, ऐसे ढीला हो गया है चेयर पर. Right? They have already like become, okay, अब आप बोल लो जो बोलना है. The body language has become like that. Okay? Or maybe they've started looking at the watches, कब खत्म होएगा. Correct? So these are few unsaid factors. जब आप एक audience के आगे खड़े होते हो, तब आपको पता चल जाता है कि बोर हो रहे हैं. Now here a word of caution. Do not worry about, okay, अगर audience में मान के चलते हैं, for example 30 people are sitting, right? So 30 people के अंदर take a breakdown. There is something called as, मैं थोड़ा सा स्लाइड में पीछे जाती हूँ, blank slide को यूज करूंगी, right? Please look at here. There is something called as Bell's curve. एक bell curve होता है, which is we used in all researches and education and everything. Bell curve के अंदर, this is a bell curve. अब मैं आपको बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बताने जा रही हूँ. You can even make a, आपको जहां लगे तो आप नोट बना लीजिएगा. In bell curve there are extremes on both the ends. ये वो लोग होते हैं जो आपको बहुत इंटरेस्ट से सुनते हैं, राइट? एक तरफ वो लोग होते हैं जो बिल्कुल सुनने ही नहीं आते, राइट? एंड एक तरफ वो लोग होते हैं, ओके लेट मी टेक एनी अदर कलर. ओके, एक तरफ वो लोग होते हैं, ये पूरा लॉट, ये पूरा लॉट, जो ये वाला लॉट है, दे आर एवरेज. अच्छा लगा तो सुन लेंगे, नहीं अच्छा लगा तो भी बैठे रहेंगे. So like 5 listeners we were doing, this is called as bell curve. जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ ये bell curve है. आपको ये वाले लॉट को बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं देना है, जो सुनने नहीं आए हैं. इनको कोई प्लीज करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इनको किसी भी चीज को करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You have to focus on this, ये वाला बचे हुए लॉट को आपको ध्यान देना है. 2% people will always be unsatisfied, and it is okay. That's a feedback which you have taken, but you are not getting worried with it. ये 2% लोग, मैं आपको और बताती हूँ इसके अंदर. सपोज देयर इज एन ऑडियंस ऑफ 100 पीपल, तो 100 पीपल में से 10 हो सकता है बहुत अच्छे इंटरेस्टेड लोग हों, थोड़ी देर के लिए मान लेते हैं. 10 एक्सट्रीम होंगे, कभी आ रहे हैं, कभी जा रहे हैं, कभी कुछ हो रहा है, कभी कुछ हो रहा है. फॉरगेट अबाउट देम, राइट? और बाकी लोग बैठे हैं. इफ यू मेक इट इंटरेस्टिंग, दे विल एक्चुअली अप्रिशिएट यू और दे विल लाइक यू. आई होप द बेल कर्व विल हेल्प यू. So audience में ये, okay, now number 3 point, are you too conscious? Yesterday we started the session with this. Too conscious means आपको ये लगातार लग रहा है कि अरे पता नहीं इन लोग को मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है कि नहीं. Am I okay? Will I be able to help them? Will I be not able to help them? क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, मुझे कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है मेरी ऑडियंस के बारे में. You're too conscious. You're constantly, your mind is thinking about it. So your anxiety होती जा रही है. Anxiety के लिए भी मैं अभी आपको I'm giving you a technique, but you're too conscious, you're too nervous. ऐसा बार-बार हो रहा है, right? And now 5th question is, आपसे मैं I want to ask from you. Please feel free to give me examples so that I can help you. What happens with you on the stage? Public speaking आपने जब करी, आपके साथ क्या होता है स्टेज पर? Would you like to help me understand? I'm doing a stop share and then we are going to share again. Let us do a face-to-face talk. Please tell me आपके साथ क्या होता है जब आप
Ma'am, not always. in a few sessions. Sometimes what I am talking about, and
Sir.
people started talking something else.
Ah.
Suppose they start asking something else which is not relevant with this topic.
Correct.
And it is not that I can, I should not answer. I have to answer definitely. But sometimes if I answer, another person may ask something related to that. That means they start going totally away from the main content or the main topic. So at that time, how to bring them back to the topic and how to make it very short so that it should not get long. So other people will get bored that we are not for these kind of questions and answer over here. That's a big concern.
Right. Thank you. If come to after this. Okay. Thank you, Mukesh sir, for this question. I'll go back to what we said yesterday, or you had only given the answer. So now, but this happens. ये होता है groups के अंदर, right? So number one, when a person is asking you an off-track question, take a quick decision. Is it a right question or a wrong question? As a speaker, it is very important for us to take a decision कि ये right है या wrong question है. If you feel question तो सही है, मौका सही नहीं है, right? The question is right, but it is out of context. So in this situation, what you will do is you will, as what we said yesterday, your question is right, but this is out of the context, so I'm going to discuss with you later, right? तो उसका हम कर लेंगे. But if you feel the question is wrong, now this is a very tricky situation. आप अगर उसको बोलते हो आपका question ही wrong है, now that person gets offended और बाकी audience को भी लगता है कि answer नहीं देना था, so that is why this person is saying the question is wrong. Correct. In this case, you have a full right as a speaker to say, right, I would not like to answer this question. Please feel comfortable, very confident to say, I don't want to answer this question. And there are various reasons to it. Right. Like, I'll give you a situation. मैं आपको बहुत common situation देती हूँ. Suppose you are speaking, most of us are from education over here, and unnecessarily person asks you a political question, that which party would you like to? Now, it is one question जो wrong नहीं है, but अगर आप एक party का favor करके बोलते हो, there can be a lot of thought conflict, right? And why you don't want to tell people that आप क्यों किस party को या whatever political affiliations we have or not have. So you have a choice to say that even if your question is right, I choose not to answer, right? So generally we have three things which we can avoid by saying this: religion, politics, and money. These three things ideally you can refuse. So there'll be a no conflict situation, right? People tend to ask sometimes कि बहुत अच्छे पैली हो जाते हैं, and they'll say कि sir, ma'am, would you like to tell us कि इस चीज का हमको कितना पैसा मान, sir हमको public speaking करना है. You also go for public speaking. So आप थोड़ा बताएंगे कि how much can we ask in public speaking? Now this is something like wrong तो नहीं है question अगर देखा जाए तो, right? But you don't want to. आपके पास दो situation है. एक आप उनको ये बोले कि इतना मांग सकते हैं. Now money is also based on your experience. Money is based on lot of things. Money is based on. तो अगर आप उनको कोई भी आंसर देते हैं या करते, okay, this is asking my face ID. Let me use my face ID, my mobile. Yeah, it has taken my face ID. Correct. So in between the mobile will keep doing this. Yeah. So in that case, you can always say that, see, there can be a range. The range can be from this amount to this amount, जो भी आपको बताना है. But you can always say कि, see, I will personally like to refrain from answering it over here. लोगों को गलत idea लग जाएगा, क्योंकि अगर उनको गलत idea लग गया तो वो ज्यादा भी मांगना चाहेंगे तो मेरी वजह से कम मांगेंगे. So diplomatically move out of it. I hope I've been able to answer this question. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Okay. Any other question? Ivana ma'am, you had raised your hand.
Yes, ma'am, I was telling about this, my experience only. So I rarely made any public speaking, but what I have done, I just mugged up the whole debate sort of, and then I just kept on speaking on the stage. The only thing that hampers me is that what if this is the major thing which I believe you can either you can spoil your speech there. What if you forget some lines? What if something like mic stops working in the middle? Each and everything can happen. Like we plan for the worst scenario only.
Correct. So technology, you cannot go beyond technology. Light जा सकती है, mic चलना बंद हो सकता है, projector नहीं चले, PPT आप prepare करके लाए, PPT नहीं चले. So that is why your dependency on technology should be more than, should not be more than you. So as a public, see, remember the word difference between a speaker and public speaker. Remember that, thank you, Ivana ma'am, first of all. So this helps me highlight one thing जो मैंने plan सोचा नहीं था कि मैं बोलूँगी, पर आपका question is like that let me highlight. One is like you are speaking to a regular audience. आप वो audience से रोज मिलते हैं, they know you. So that's a separate thing. But if in public speaking, generally you are meeting different audiences, तो आपको खुद को establish भी करना पड़ रहा है. So there your preparation levels are different, and there you have to actually create a lot of things. So please keep in mind public speaking to a regular audience and public speaking to new audience or something. Yeah, Devansh.
Ma'am, my question is, for example, somebody asks us a question during the session and we give the answer, but after that the person says that she was not satisfied with the answer. So how should we tackle that situation?
Okay. Can you try to give me a question? Let's try.
Ma'am, for example, in debate sessions or in the whatever sessions people are taking.
Got it. Now I got it. Thank you. So in debates or group discussions or these kind of situations, there are high possibilities that when you do a rebuttal, debates में rebuttal होता है. Rebuttal means when you have said something pro or against, for or against, so the other team gets a rebuttal. So when you do a rebuttal, the other team says, I'm not satisfied with the answer. So in case you have to reply for a rebuttal, you can try to give them an answer. They can still choose not to be satisfied. But if it is a symposium, now let us move from a debate to a symposium. So if it is a symposium, you have a right after giving them one or two answers that what makes you not agree to this. Number three, very important over here, if a group discussion is happening and there are two teams over here. So one team has all the right to keep proving, even if you are right, that they are not agreeing to it because they get the winning point for it. Right. So that is how it is managed. Good question. Right. Glad. Please keep asking questions from your domains. I will definitely try to answer questions from every single domain because I've been into, as I mentioned to you yesterday, I've been into public speaking to various domains, right, from corporates to even large audiences up to 5,000, 6,000 audiences now for more than 20 years. So I've been able to experience a variety of audience. So I'll tell you with my own experience also. Okay, now, this is the question which we began with, how to be more confident. You can note down these 4 points. These 4 things will make you confident. Planning, practice, performing, and keep repeating. So my answer to this is planning. You should plan very well. Then you have to practice. Then you have to perform and keep repeating. Now I gave you the opportunity, but मेरे को ना links नहीं मिले. I had requested. You had not shared the links. You can share in DM if you don't want to share in the group. You can share in DM also. That's not a problem at all. Planning, you must plan. You must be ready to show your planning to a few people. Take a feedback. That's very, very important. How will you practice? Today I'm going to tell you your YouTube can be a great teacher. Only your personal YouTube. I'm not asking to see any other's channel also. Only your channel can be. Why I'm using YouTube? Because आपके मोबाइल का memory भर जाएगा. So all you have to do is everybody who has an email has a channel ready. आपका email है तो आपका channel बना हुआ है. Right? आपको केवल उसको start करना है. Unlisted रखिए पूरा. Don't share it to anybody. Right? Keep it unlisted. Keep it private. Right? Whatever you want. Record a video. Plan कीजिए. Record a video. Upload it. Now keep watching it 1, 2, 3 times. See what errors you have made. Do a correction. Upload again. Record and upload again. You will start seeing the difference. Do it regularly for 7, 8 days. You will see a marked difference in your performances. Right? A marked difference. And that is why I said your own YouTube. वो बोलते थे ना शीशे के आगे करो. शीशे के आगे recording नहीं होता है. Now let's do in 21st century. Yeah, you're right, Mahua, but you'll not be able to record it. How will you be able to see it, go and refer to it later? So mirror se better hai camera. Record it in front of mobile, upload it, delete it from your mobile, ताकि mobile नहीं heavy होगा, right? And keep watching it many times. आपको voice पता चलेगा, voice modulation पता चलेगा, gestures पता चलेंगे. You will get to know कि आप read कर रहे थे, कि you were doing a free flow. You will get to know कि आपने 1 घंटा बोलना था, आप 1.5 घंटा बोल गए या 30 minutes में close कर दिया. You will get to know how others feel about you. Right? So that's a very important task. Right? Thank you for it. Okay, let's me move ahead. Now, this is my question to all of you. So when somebody asks you a question, like you start rambling, आपको डर लग जाता है यार मेरे को आता नहीं है, you feel अरे अभी तो मेरे को आगे आंसर है, you feel frustrating, you feel embarrassing, you feel incompetent, you feel bad. क्या होता है आपके साथ when somebody asks you a question in between? Now recall. Yeah, yes,
ma'am, it is usually panic or ramble.
Panic or rambling. Okay, let's
Yes,
have more answers with your own experiences. अगर कोई and please think of a public speaking session. Public speaking में आपसे किसी ने कोई question पूछा, doubt नहीं, question पूछा. Yes, Ivani.
Ma'am, majorly though I feel panicking, and I think what others will think if I speak something wrong, if my pronunciations are not clear, what if I get stuck in the middle? Though I know the answer, but still I believe what others are thinking if I stuck in the middle.
Correct. So it is something like somebody asks a question and it is like, oh God, what do I give answer to? ये ऐसा शुरू हो जाता है आपका पूरे माइंड में एकदम आगे पीछे. And sometimes you feel sweaty also, sometimes you feel
Heartbeat started beating very
shaking,
badly.
heartbeat goes up, anxiety.
Yeah.
Exactly, these things happen. Oh God, this is like such as a, let me do a stop share so that I can see in this screen also and do a face to face. Now this is one of the most common thing which happens. Now here I think I should give you a few breathing exercises and a few tricks. Now it's very simple. One, rambling is like आपको, and today I'm going to give you a technique also. इसके आगे की slide में I'm going to give you, and we are going to practice it today. We are going to improve it today. आज तो करके ही छोड़ेंगे, right? So now here it is something like okay, that sound. Okay, so now here somebody asks you a question and your mind says आ रहा है, नहीं बोलना है, you know, something like वो कुछ होता है. What to do? Number one, there's a breathing technique. So breathing technique से पहले please understand the science behind public speaking. That is above your kidneys. हमारी किडनी के ऊपर दो छोटे छोटे ऐसा गुच्छा सा रखा होता है. That is called as adrenaline. एक ही होता है वैसे तो, adrenaline. There is called an adrenaline gland, right? मैं chat box में डाल देती हूँ. The gland, some of you might be knowing, adrenaline. Okay, right. Okay, एक काम करते हैं. अब ये adrenaline gland को हम ढूंढ ही लेते हैं ना. Let us try to figure it out. Okay, and मैं आपको अच्छा my screen is not shared. Let me share the screen. एक काम करते हैं. Is my screen shared? No. Yes or no?
No, ma'am, it's not.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. 1 second. I'll try to share now. So, okay. So we will search. आपके सामने adrenaline gland search करते हैं. Okay. So adrenaline gland is this gland, and this is the gland जिसको हम बोल सकते हैं is the criminal gland, जिसकी वजह से ये हमको डर वर जो भी लगता है ना, it is only because of this. ये देखिए, ये यहाँ पर रखा हुआ है, right? Adrenal gland. वो किडनी के ऊपर यहाँ पर, right? Everybody please आपका नेवल जो है, आपके नेवल के बिल्कुल ठीक पीछे थोड़ा दबाइएगा और पीछे ऐसा नीचे करिएगा. See, I can take here, right here. So you will feel आपको adrenaline का feeling आएगा. एक बार touch कर मैं तो I'm very fat, so I can't touch it. I don't know about you. आप लोग कितना मोटा पतले हो. So please try to do it. It is like, अब ये करता क्या है? Now I'll do a stop share. अब ये करता क्या है? Please understand the science. A lot of science comes in public speaking. अब होता क्या है? So whenever 3 fight, लड़ाई जब कर रहे होते हैं, मुंह से भी कर रहे होते हैं, हस्बैंड वाइफ फाइटिंग, चिल्ड्रन पेरेंट्स फाइट, एनीबडी फाइटिंग. जब भी फाइटिंग होगा, you will see your ears become red and hot, your cheeks become red and hot. Fight. So fight में adrenaline बहुत जल्दी निकल के आता है. Number 2, when you are actually taking a plunge, स्विमिंग पूल में डाइव लगा रहे हैं, कोई नया चीज कर रहे हैं, रिजल्ट आने वाला है, एंजाइटी बढ़ रही है, अगेन रेड, राइट? डज इट हैपन? होता है ना?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, it happens.
It happens. So you know, fight, flight कई तरह से होती है, and fear. When you are, what will people think? Am I right? पता नहीं, fear. Again, in fear, you can be cold. जरूरी नहीं है आप गर्म हो, आप cold हो सकते हो, but red. Right. So adrenaline. I'll give you a secret over here. Trick बताने के बाद एक secret दूंगी. So now what happens is how to control adrenaline. Adrenaline control कैसे होता है? आप adrenaline के खुद निकलने से पहले उसको आप निकाल दो बाहर. कैसे? So good speakers, like all good speakers, like अगर आप गौर गोपाल दास, सदगुरु, बड़े-बड़े नाम, Simon Sinek, anybody you think, Tony Robbins, आप किसी का भी नाम देखिए, right? What they do is वो जाने से पहले they will do 1 or 2 push-ups, star jumps, कुछ भी करके जोर से बोल के बंद कमरे में yeah they'll do कुछ वो बाहर निकालेंगे. What is going to happen is वो एड्रेनलिन को बाहर फ्लो आउट करवा रहे हैं. Once एड्रेनलिन starts flowing, अब उसके बाद वो नॉर्मली होता है. फिर एड्रेनलिन हार्मोन है, उस बस एक बार बाहर आ गया उस वक्त के लिए, फिर वो नॉर्मल होएगा, फिर आपकी हार्ट बीट वगैरह सब नॉर्मल हो जाती है. सो माय सजेशन इज व्हेन यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ सेशन टू स्पीक, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, रिमेंबर नॉट अ रूटीन स्पीकिंग, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग के लिए आप जा रहे हैं, तो आप जाने से पहले थोड़ा बहुत अपने आप को, यू नो, इन द मॉर्निंग डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज, थोड़ा सा, योर बॉडी विल एक्चुअली हेल्प यू आउट अ लॉट. सो इट रियली वर्क्स. डू आई डू इट? यस, आई डू इट. Right? Yes, 100% I do it. Right? It is very helpful. Do anything, whatever you feel. Okay. Number 2, second technique. Okay. So the second technique is, have you, everybody, can you try doing it? 101, 102, but breathing के साथ. 101. Everybody try. Mic mute करके. 102. 103. जैसा मैं कर रही हूं ऐसे 5 तक. प्लीज ट्राई. आप कितना भी क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन में होंगे, 5 तक आते आते काफी कंट्रोल हो जाएगा. इफ 101 डज नॉट वर्क, ट्राई 1001. 1001, 1002. 5 तक कंट्रोल होगा ही होगा. इट्स अ साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेशन. Correct? Try. Write it down in your notes ताकि आप इसको practice कर लें. Right? Yeah. Thank you, Mahua. Right? So it's a very helpful thing. Okay. So this is something which you can easily practice. You can easily do with all these things. Okay. And next, of course, technique तो मैं बताने ही वाली हूँ. तो I'm sharing the screen once again, and we are going to be into it. So now you know what happens is when somebody asks a question. That's okay, Navneeta ma'am. You will get the recording. That's okay. That's okay. Right. So if you have to leave urgently, no problem at all. Now here, the moment you feel that you are rambling, now I'm going to give you a technique. There is a technique called as, okay, yeah, 3-2-1 technique. Right. There is a 3-2-1, yeah, 1-2-3 technique. 3 types, 2 steps, 1 thing. Okay, let's try. And I will also try with each one of you, and you are also going to try with me. But before I do a 3-2-1 technique, आप note करके रखो. ये 2 slide करने के बाद हम ये technique practice करेंगे. Meanwhile, how you can prepare in your mind? आप अपने mind में prepare कीजिए. Because yesterday I requested you to share the learning outcomes. Then I also requested to share a video on your YouTube, your Instagram, if you have. नहीं है कोई बात नहीं, LinkedIn नहीं है कोई बात नहीं. I understand Devansh is very small. वो social media पे नहीं होगा, but the rest of us, we can be there. It is something like, how do I know that you're going? ये public speaking सीखने के बाद, once you have done a public speaking, how will you tell the people? So now Meanwhile, I complete the session. Meanwhile, मैं session करूंगी. Meanwhile, मैं 3 to 1 technique आपको बताऊंगी. Meanwhile, मैं बीच में 2 slides करूंगी. Think of a 1 minute Thanksgiving और हम लोग उसको यहीं record करेंगे और आपको recording share करेंगे. Right? Everybody will try to speak 1 minute Thanksgiving and आप 1 minute अभी नहीं करना. आप सोचना start करिए. लिख लीजिएगा डायरी में. तब तक मैं slide में आगे बढ़ती हूँ. Is it okay? Everyone is okay with this? ठीक है. So we are going to record and आपको उससे पता चल जाएगा. Now how do you structure? ये सारी चीज हो गई पर structuring of speech नहीं हुई. So structuring of, now these 3 things are very important. Introduction में please try to grab attention. Tell them that why you are speaking and give them the objectives or outline or key points. कितनी देर करना है? 1 घंटे के सेशन में this should finish in first 3 to 5 minutes. Introduction. In 60-minute session, this should not take more than 3 to 5 minutes. Please write down the time also. Body should take good around, अगर 60 minutes का session है, the body should take good 50-52 minutes with everything. Conclusion. Summarize the key points, tell the purpose, close with a very strong statement. How long should it take? Generally 3 minutes. So now calculate the time. I said 5 minutes. I said 52 minutes. I said 3 minutes. Plus minus 3 minutes कहीं पर भी कर लीजिए. No worries at all. That is your way, your style. Plus minus 3 minutes, you can do it yourself. हो जाता है कई बारी, naturally हो जाता है. Correct? So you will get the slide. आपको ये slide मिलेगा. But if you're making notes, keep making your notes. Right? That will help you. Yes, Devansh. Yes, Sejal ma'am, please.
Ma'am, if we want to add some quotes or sayings, so it should be in the body.
See, in case
or the conclusion part.
Very good question. So if you are using an opening quote, finish it in the introduction. But if you are using a quote which has to be elaborated, right? जैसे अगर आपको elaborate करना है किसी चीज को कि कवि कहता है or the poet wants to emphasize, then use it in the body, right? Or you can grab the attention and explain it over here. Combination can be done.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Sejal ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to ask a question related to grabbing attention. In yesterday's presentation, also in the top tips, there was a point given that grab the attention at the beginning and close the session with a dynamic note. Like, how do we do that?
Okay. So I'll give you an example. You might have seen. खैर मेरी बहुत public speaking के sessions YouTube पर uploaded नहीं हैं. In times to come, I will upload when I'm doing on the stage and all. So normally you might have seen people, they come on the stage, somebody introduces them. So here, let's have a big round of applause and let's invite XYZ on the stage. And now, as the people are clapping and you jump on the stage. So grabbing attention idea for such body audience के लिए, around 1,000 people sitting at least, 500 above तो हैं ही हैं. Right. So how you say, hello everyone, thank you for clapping. Just stop and look at me over here. Do I look very nice? You have already grabbed the attention. Correct. आपने उनको एक sentence. But अभी आगे इसको complete करो. But I'm not here for a fashion show. So we are going to talk about a topic. फिर आपने अपना topic highlight किया. Thank you once again. Today in this topic, I'm going to tell you 4 important things. And this is the objective. By the time I complete my session, 60 minutes from now, I believe each one of you will be learning at least these 1, 2, 3, 4 things. And once it is, let me know. Keep making your notes and you can ask me questions. Let's begin. आपने attention grab कर लिया. So I gave you a sample. Is it okay? Right. So here, different audiences, different beginnings. ये तो मैंने 500 and above का दिया. Suppose you have only 30-40 people sitting in front of you, 50-60, 100, less than 100 people sitting. Now you can't be coming on a stage. People will not be clapping like this. Normal आपका introduction होएगा. So today we have XYZ between us. So ma'am, we request you, sir, we request you to please start the session. So everybody will clap. Normal सा clap होगा. Thank you everyone. And now you have to do an auto eye connect. You have to see with them. You have to smile at them. You have to do thank you for this warm welcome. Right? So आप दूसरों को thank करोगे. you'll say everybody has taken out time to talk. So today, this topic which we are going to talk about is, आप topic introduce करोगे. Topic introduce करने के बाद, you will tell them that I'm going to use the resources. At various points of time, I will ask you to move and adjust your seat. I will ask you to change your seat. I have a few games and activities in between, and these are the 3 main things we are going to complete in the session. अभी इससे क्या होगा, उनको पता चल गया आप 1 घंटे क्या करने वाले हो उनके साथ, पर आपने ऐसा बॉडी लैंग्वेज डिफरेंट हो गया, आपका बॉडी लैंग्वेज थोड़ा कंट्रोल था. Previously, when it was a big stage, your body language was totally different, and you started grabbing their attention by "Thank you, how do I look?" आपने फर्क करा. Yes or no? Correct. So that is how the style, that is how the practice. वो मैंने आपको स्लाइड में बताया ना, plan, prepare, right? Practice, perform, repeat. उससे आपका हर बार स्टाइल बनता चला जाएगा. Don't be too repetitive. My rule says, क्योंकि फिर लोगों को पता चलेगा तो हर बार आके यही करने वाले. So don't be too repetitive in public speaking. Right? Instagram reels आपकी starting और closing एक जैसी होती है. उस पे आप कोई चीज बताए. So don't mix too many things. So this is over here. Now, can I move ahead? Right. Thank you. Now there, please remember, how do we overcome nervousness? Please see these 4 points in detail I have given. Practice, rehearse multiple times. Don't worry. Don't cram it. Points याद रखने हैं, detail आपको बोलना है. और आपका शुरू में cram करके काम चलता है, don't worry. Cram it 2-3 times. Then visualization. Imagine yourself speaking confidently. Start manifesting. Start imagining कि आप audience के सामने, मैंने कल भी आपसे पूछा था, I had asked you yesterday, that what kind of audience do you imagine yourself standing? And imagine that you are a confident speaker, and then you will practice breathing techniques. बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. And keep telling yourself that today you're going to do the best. Keep telling your mind. Keep telling your mind. Right? That really works. आपको mind को बताना है, I'm going to, I'm fully prepared. I have rehearsed. I know audience क्या question पूछ सकते हैं. मेरे को पता है, मैंने सारी चीज कर ली है. Now let's see what happens. So these 4 things are going to help you out a little bit. This has come from the experience. Now, how do you engage your audience? So you have to ask questions. You can use stories. You can use visual aids like slides, charts, images. You can maintain eye contact and gestures, and vary your tone means do a voice modulation. These are the 4 very good methods by which you can engage your audience. Right? This is the way how we handle question and answer sessions. You have to listen the question first. अगर आप क्वेश्चन सुने हुए नहीं, आधा सुनकर जवाब देने लगोगे, वो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. Stay calm. I'm doing a 3-2-1 or a 1-2-3 technique, and be honest. अगर नहीं आता आंसर, tell them you don't know. We are not encyclopedias. आज नहीं आता है, आप number exchange कर लो, कल research करके बता देंगे. You are going to connect them with the right people. Don't feel ashamed or don't have that guilt. I don't know the answer. That's okay. Right? Don't feel that what people will think. They will already, उन्होंने सोच लिया जो सोचना था. Don't worry about people. Right? You have to enter with confidence, exit with confidence. That is very, very important. Will you like to agree or disagree on this? Okay. नहीं आता तो नहीं आता भाई, क्या करेंगे? Okay. Now let us practice a 3-2-1 technique. I'll give you a sample of 3-2-1, and then I will do a sample with you of 3-2-1. Anybody who would like to volunteer for being, agreeing to answer, कोई आप में से कोई एक जन, I'm going to ask you a question, and let's try. आप 3-2-1 कैसे लगाते हैं मैं बताऊंगी. So one of you who wants to volunteer, मैं question पूछने वाला. Okay, Sejal, please be ready. Thank you. So Sejal ji is okay. Ivana ma'am also, Mukesh sir also. ठीक है. So अभी Sejal ma'am को ले लेते हैं. I saw her hand first. Okay, Sejal ma'am, my question to you is very simple सा question पूछती हूँ. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's see. सब लोग यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं. And ma'am, my question is, I want to know something about Apple from you. अभी मैं आपको, don't worry, आप आंसर दीजिए जो मन में आ रहा है, फिर मैं बताऊंगी 3-2-1 से कैसे होता है. Okay, please.
Should I like
anything? आपको जो आंसर आ रहा है बोलो, गलत सही का चिंता नहीं करो.
apples are red in color, and there are different types of apple, like green apple and as I said, red apple, and it is usually sweet and it is good for taste. And there is also an idiom like an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Okay, correct. Now you've given answer तो आपने सही दिया, but what has happened is आप imagine करो ये आपके पास एक public से आया, audience से question आया. Now what is going to happen is if you tell them this, they'll say कि अरे ये तो पता था, न्यू बताओ कुछ एप्पल के बारे में. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay. Now here let us, and then we will try to do with others. मैं अलग-अलग question अलग-अलग के साथ करूँगी. After that Mukesh sir and then Ivana ma'am also we are going to try. Now you can do 1, 2, 3 or you can do 3, 2, 1. So let's say I do 1, 2, 3. So thank you for the question. It is, and don't say your question is very nice. Oh, I was waiting for this question. इसका मतलब उनको पता चल गया कि आप अभी आंसर सोच रहे हो. Right. So better way is thank you. I mean, you want to know about apple. Now 2 steps. I can speak about a green apple and I can also speak about a red apple. I don't know what is going in your mind. Or you even want to know about apple, or you want to know something related to the recipes of apple, or you want to know something about, related to the agriculture or harvest of apple. Number 3, let's go on 3 technique. Now, since we are talking about public speaking, I think if I talk about the harvest of apple or the benefits of apple, I can relate to many of us sitting over here. Right. So I will try to bring in 3 things for each one of us, because any question should be helpful for many others. Number 1, as doctors say, apple a day keeps the doctor away. I don't know if they are talking about benefit for their own profession or they're asking people to stay away from doctors. Number 2, apples are a variety of kinds and people make so many recipes. I would really like to know how many of you can tell me different kind of recipes over here. And one thing which I do not know, but I know many of us know over here is, which is the best place in the world and in India to get apples from? Okay, can I have the answers?
I'm Shimla.
Shimla से apple अच्छा आता है, Kashmir से अच्छा आता है. Okay, or anybody else? Shimla definitely best apples, Delician apples. Yeah. Okay.
In world, Washington DC, I guess.
Okay. So you know what I did? Please tell me मैंने 1, 2, 3 को कैसे break किया? मैंने भी वही answer दिया what Sejal ma'am had given. The only thing is I was breathing in between. Yes or no? Did you observe my breathing? Breathing कैसे करा? मैंने 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I give you a chance. आपको लगेगा मेरा prepared questions है. So I give you a chance. Anybody, please ask me a question and let us see हम 1, 2, 3 या 3, 2, 1 करते हैं. Please ask me a question. Any question you can ask me. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 या 3, 2, 1 चलता है कि नहीं चलता है.
Ma'am, is the book reading helpful for the teachers?
Right. Thank you, Mukesh sir. Now we are doing 1, 2, 3 or 3, 2, 1 on book reading. The question is about book reading. Okay. So now I have an option to do 3, 2, 1 or 1, 2, 3. मैं 1, 2, 3 choose करती हूँ. So number 1, book reading is definitely a very good habit. So best of the speakers, those who use good vocabulary, they definitely do a book reading. Now 2 things. What kind of books do you read? You like to read motivational, inspirational books, or you like to read textbooks? Number 3, do you make notes out of the books? Do you read and forget? Do you read and tell somebody else? That is how it is going to actually help an individual. So what I personally do when I read books, number 1, I read a lot of books. Number 2, I make important notes. My books are my books. So I highlight, write, make notes out of it. And if I like something in the book, I definitely tell people that this book, through my LinkedIn or other things, that this book is my current reading. What did I do? अभी book का question अचानक आया था. मैंने तो actually बहुत देर से book नहीं पढ़ा, but I should show you. This is my almirah over here. There's a lot of books. So in my office also, since you said books, so books हमेशा रहती हैं. So, right. So I read a lot of books, but it is very important. So what I did is 1, 2, 3. मेरे को सोचने time मिल गया. Right. I could breathe in between. I could break down my ideas. ये live में होता है बहुत ज़्यादा. So next, Mukesh sir, shall I try with you a question? Try कर लेते हैं. All right, everybody. I am doing a stop share for a while, so that I can look here on the screen. Just sir, 1 second. And then I'm going to ask every single person. इसीलिए मैंने stop share किया. Everybody, please be ready for 1, 2, 3 because that is how we are going to make the difference to everybody. 1 second. इसको stop share करके. I am just. Okay, ready. Mukesh sir, question to you. Ready?
Yeah, please.
Right. So I'm looking. मैं ये मेरा mobile है. This is my system. Right. Mukesh sir, can you tell me? Okay, sir. I mean, we are in a public speaking session. So I'm asking. I'm a participant, and you are the speaker. So I'm asking you a question. So you've told us about a lot of technologies, but can you tell me that how can I use Meta for in the mobile for better usage?
What a lovely question. Definitely. At the present time, it required definitely the knowledge of AI, and as well the using of Meta is definitely required for each and everyone, especially those who are in the education field, those who are as an educator, those who are even as a student also. It needs, definitely, it's a need the how. Well, as you have asked about the Meta, have you ever tried about that, or you have just know about that, or you have asked someone else also, but you didn't get the answer properly. So may I ask you that how, in which sense you are asking about, whether you want to know more about that, or you want to know the how to use that, or in mobile when you are using Meta, what kind of difficulties you have faced or where you got confused. So as that context, if you can give me a little more detail in what context you want to ask this.
Right. Thank you, Mukesh sir. I'll give you an open feedback also because it's a session and all of you have agreed that I'm the trainer. So I'll give you a feedback also. Thank you, sir. First of all, very well tried. Now here what has happened is we are going to learn from each other. That is why I say, मैंने day 1 पे बोला था, we don't say yes to everything. You can even say no to anything which I say. We are open, right, for everything. Number 1, whenever somebody asks a question, like मैंने अभी Meta का पूछा. So here, sir definitely tried 1, 2, 3 or whatever technique he was trying. But here what has happened is I still did not get an answer. I got a question for a question. मेरे को 2 question मिला. Have I used Meta earlier? What was the challenge if I have used it? So I have still not got a solution. I will suggest, sir, अगर मैं इसको answer, suppose मेरे से at random पूछ लिया Meta का question. Same question, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3 technique. Right. So now, okay. So number 1, everybody has Meta on the mobiles. Number 2, 1, 2, 3 मैं break down कर रही हूँ. So Meta is only going to, Meta is an AI, artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence becomes intelligent only with the data which human beings are feeding. So whatever answer Meta gives is coming from somewhere. How you can use Meta is, number 1, whatever you ask, whatever it gives, you filter and use it. Number 2, you try to give it a certain language or a content and ask Meta to improve it. Number 3, Meta has given you something. You compare the same language on ChatGPT and Gemini and Bard and see which is better for you. So now here what has happened is I have done a 1, 2, 3. Now the person who has asked the question feels, okay, sir को Meta के अलावा भी चीज पता है. Right. Now here the rule is, thank you Mukesh sir, no, not for Mukesh sir, सबके लिए. Whenever the question is asked, remember one rule, ये golden rule है. Don't worry, this question is not asked from you. वो किसी ने आपसे question पूछा, वो question आपसे पूछा ही नहीं है. वो question पूछा है बस. Right. So don't take it personally to the heart. मैंने नहीं बताया तो इसका क्या होगा, ये क्या सोचेगा. कुछ नहीं सोचा, उसने जो सोचना है सोच चुका. Right. So don't take it personally to heart. This is a golden rule. आपको आता है बता दीजिए, नहीं आता है say I mean the question is relevant. Even I'm going to research on it. I don't know. Don't be in a hurry कि मेरे को सबसे अच्छा आंसर बताना है. Right? Okay. Now after Mukesh sir, Shabam ma'am ने hand raise किया हुआ है. Ivana ma'am, can I ask you a question? Shabam ma'am, anything? Please ma'am, say.
No, ma'am, you can go ahead.
Okay, Ivana ma'am, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's try. 3, 2, 1 or 1, 2, 3 technique. Okay, my question to you is, what if food could talk?
Wow, what an interesting question it is. Food could talk. It would be really interesting if we could see a chapati speaking, or if a pulses could make some jokes. It would be really funny. But
Okay, Ivana ma'am, isko break down karo. Now you have so many. What's easy, simple question? है food. Now say that very good question हो गया. What kind of food I am still trying to think you're talking about, because it could be a junk food, it could be healthy food, it could be cooked food, it could be uncooked. आप उसको break down करो. उसके दिमाग में conflict डालो.
yes, yes, ma'am.
जो जिसने क्वेश्चन पूछा है उसका कॉन्फ्लिक्ट डालो. सो 3-2-1 1-2-3 टेक्निक है कि आपको तो इतना पता है, बट इट वाज अ फूड क्वेश्चन. अब
Yes,
फूड को इतना सारा. नाउ ट्राई टू गिव. या प्लीज ट्राई टू गिव.
Okay, so ma'am, but what should be the exact starting of such?
Okay, so similar thing I will start like, what if food could speak? So
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
like, thank you for the question. इतना तो बोलना ही होता है, ऐसे बोलते
Yes,
ही हैं सब लोग. So I'm thinking now food is such a big area. What exactly? अच्छा अब वो बंदा ना बीच में बोलेगा मैम about this. No, wait. You already given me a question, right? वो बंदा बोलेगा मैम I wanted you to tell me. नहीं, now you already given. Authority ले लो आप question की.
Yes, ma'am.
You've already given me the question. So I'm thinking you want me to speak about raw food, cooked food, junk food, something healthy or staple. Well, let me think. I feel I don't eat junk food. So अब जो आपका area है 2 पर आ जाओ. I don't eat junk food. I eat healthy food. So I think if chapati starts talking, what is it going to talk about? Right. So maybe the chapati tells me that, I'm healthy. Hey, people are breaking me down into gluten and millets and other things. Any
Yes, ma'am.
chapati is good. Whatever I can digest is good for me. Right. If food could talk, food will also say that it is very important along with carbohydrates to have some protein, nutrients along with it. And number 3, protein is also satisfaction. Food is also satisfaction. So when you eat food, enjoy. अब आपने authority ले ली. देखो, this will only come with breathing technique.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
will only come with preparation. So thank you for the attempt. Let's clap for Ivana ma'am and Mukesh sir. That's fantastic. Mukesh sir के लिए clap करना भूल गए थे पहले. Everybody, please clap. Okay, Sejal ma'am, right? Saying something. Sejal ma'am के लिए भी हाँ. Oh yes. Okay, double clap for Sejal ma'am. Sejal ma'am, there is a jab for you. Okay. Okay, that's great. Okay, now who would like to volunteer for a question? Please unmute and say yes.
Ma'am, may I try?
Shabam ma'am? No, okay. Okay, Astha ma'am, okay, ready? I'm asking some simple questions, open questions. Ready?
Yeah.
Shall I? Okay. Right. So, okay. It's a question like, it's a public speaking session. So, in case, have you ever insulted somebody? You were not expecting
Oh,
this
it's
question.
it's such a different question. Oh.
You were not expecting
See,
it.
now insulting someone is also like, sometimes it happens deliberately, but sometimes when you're with friends and you speak something like that, so it happens like you're not intentionally doing that, but yes, it happens. So I would say, you know what?
You can handle the baby.
It isn't like sometimes, if I just go with your question, I would say that sometimes it's really funny if you insult someone. And sometimes we feel like it's, oh, what have we done? Ma'am, is it going fine?
Okay. Well, first of all, this was an unexpected question. Before we even try, I want everybody to please give a jab to Astha ma'am. What अजीब सा question था ये? Everybody, jab. No. Let's give a jab to her. Amazing. She tried so well. सही था नहीं था वो सब बात की बात है, but such I definitely मैं जानकर ऐसा question लेकर आई थी. Okay, now anybody else, would you like to try the answer? 3-2-1 or 1-2-3 technique. Okay, Ivana ma'am, please try. Devansh, you can also try, no? Mona ma'am, yeah. Yes, Ivana ma'am, please try.
If I got to answer the same question, then I would start like, insults can be done by making witty comments or making sarcasm. But before giving answer, I would like to know, were you ever insulted, like to create like?
Good. Again, question में question आया, मतलब हालांकि it's not a very nice question पूछ रहा to answer. I can see Neeta ji also here today. Hi Neeta ji. Now here, anybody else would like to give an answer first? Have you ever insulted anyone? The question was this.
Yes, I do like to be answer it. First, nice question which you asked, and
ये कैसे nice हुआ मैम? ये तो गंदा question है.
no, this is very bad question. But
Okay.
for me, it is like answering means it is not good to be insult anybody.
Huh.
And in my life, I never insulted anyone. But if you have done, don't do this. This is my personal opinion, and it's better you just apologize and give some encouragement. This will be good.
Nice, good one. Now suppose this question comes to me and I will use a 1, 2, 3 technique. Correct? So let me share how I will do it. May ya anybody should do it ideally. So have you ever insulted anyone? Wow, what a question. Have you ever insulted anyone? So I'm using first question. Question pe question puja because ye question acha nahi hai. Right. Number 2, even if I have insulted, I would not like to tell in public because there could be reasons, my personal reasons, or reasons I really wanted to insult and punch the person. Number 3, a word of sense to everyone. Insulting is definitely not a good idea. But in case you have to insult somebody, there must be genuine, right reasons to do it. You do it to the cause, not to the person. And number 3, in ideal situations, avoid. Now, what I have done is, I have done a 1, 2, 3 technique. So the style of answering is going to help you maintain your position as a public speaker. Okay, this session is for public speaking. We are not here into giving answers. Remember, I'm time and again telling that we are not a regular speaker. Public speaking मतलब हम तैयार हो रहे हैं लोगों के सामने जाने के लिए. Right. More than a small audience, more than a routine audience. So there you also have to see कि आपके answers से lasting impressions create होने वाला है. Yes or no? Right. Okay. So thank you. We'll keep trying. नहीं तो बहुत सारा time जाएगा. Thank you for all of us. Thank you, really, ma'am. जिन सब ने भी आंसर देने की कोशिश करी and everybody who tried. I was just trying to think. आस्था मैम आपके ऊपर सच्ची में बहुत अचानक से दिमाग में आया. There was no preparation on this question, but thank you for having even tried. Now, yeah. Sorry, somebody said something. Okay, so now here today what we have done is your visual aids also. Remember, वो PPT आप लोग try कीजिएगा बनाना. Your PPT should have clarity. This is I'm going from day 1, and then your PPT should be relevant, simple, and you have to practice your PPT. आपको पता होने चाहिए आपकी PPT में क्या है. ऐसा नहीं मेरे को भी नहीं पता ये कहाँ से आ गया. No, never do it on your PPT like that. Never. You are the authority. Okay, next. This is something very important. Continuous improvement. Keep having the feedback. Record yourself. Keep attending as many workshops you can. Online, offline, जहाँ मौका मिले, आप दूसरे को देखेंगे, you will get to learn. And then reading. Mukesh sir had asked the question. I had mentioned it over here also, that reading books is a major resource for all public speakers. So Mukesh sir वो डाल ही रखा था मैंने, पर आपने question पूछ ही लिया था. Okay, now here the next question, and then this is the last slide of the day. And after this we are going to practice 1 minute, and we are going to record it. Priyanshi, everybody ready with the recordings now? Of 1 minute session? Okay, great. So here, like masters, public speaking takes practice, preparation, and willingness. If you're willing, you'll really have to work hard into it. And with your confidence, you'll gradually become an effective speaker. So now what I will do is, since we've already done with the PowerPoint, and my best wishes to everyone who joined this workshop for 2 days, I really look forward for you to be into a space where you are speaking and I am attending your session. I really want to wait to be part of it. आप बोले और मैं सुनने के लिए बैठी हूँ. So you create lasting impressions over there. Look forward. I travel to a lot of places. So I'm doing a stop share, and let's try 1 minute each. हम time लगा लेंगे. 1 minute का timer ले लेते हैं. मेरे पास timer यहाँ system पे ले लिया मैंने. And please start and try to simple. आपने ही जो कल learning outcomes दिए थे, today's learning outcome बनाकर 1 minute का just try opening, मतलब start करिए, body बोलिए, close करिए. Let's try. Is it okay? Thanksgiving is easier because attend किया है तो आपके लिए easy होगा सबके लिए. So shall we do it? Shall we start? Who wants to try first? Shagufta ma'am, आपसे start करें. Wow, Mukesh sir, look forward.
Okay. Thank you so much for the wonderful workshop. I really learned a lot and found it very helpful. I appreciate the effort and time you put into it. Thank you so much for a great workshop. It was very informative and truly I appreciate your effort.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, ये तो 20 seconds. Okay, no worries, but well tried. ये recording में होगा, आपके पास भी आएगा recording में. So आप इसको देखिएगा कि 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. सच्ची में 60 second करना है. Okay, Mona ma'am is ready. Mona ma'am, if you can open the camera, that will be nice. Recording से अच्छा आ जाएगा. Yeah, if you can. Yes, Mona ma'am. Time starts now. Ma'am, unmute दोबारा. Sorry, ma'am. Unmute कर लीजिए. दोबारा से.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this wonderful session. Every time I attend your session, I need to learn more and more. And you are the ocean of knowledge, ma'am. Whenever I see something that, no, I know this thing, and when I take your listen your sessions, I see I'm knowing nothing. I'm just below the level. But you upgrade my level from each and every session. Thank you so much for the wonderful experience, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mona ma'am. I mean, it's humbling. हम तो practice कर रहे, but you've said it from the heart. Thank you so much, Mona ma'am. I'm just trying, just one amongst all of us, right? And I look forward. किसी दिन आप गरबा का session hold करेंगे और मैं वहाँ पर I'll do a dandiya with you.
Oh man, I will invite you for this.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. So after Mona ma'am, who's going to try? Okay, Shabam ma'am. Yeah. Please, Shabam ma'am. Devansh is also ready. Great.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank our management for giving me this opportunity. And next, I would like to thank to the whole team of iBig Wonder for making me being the part of this wonderful session. We lot of experience. It was amazing. We got so many things which we were knowing, but we wouldn't know how to apply this in our daily life. So I'm really grateful for you, ma'am, for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much. And thanks to all the participants who have shared their opinions. So it was a wonderful session. I'm definitely going to apply this in my professional life and also in my personal life. Because even though we speak every day, but sometimes whether it would be a family or friend circle, as you have told about you asked the question about have you insulted anyone? So this makes a difference, ma'am. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Shabab ma'am. Well tried, very nice, fantastic. This will come in recording. आप timing सब देखिएगा. So nice. Devansh.
Yes, ma'am. So I will start. Thank you so much, ma'am, and the whole team for organizing this workshop. This will obviously benefit me in my future and professional life in which I want to pursue my career. And thank you for all the knowledge that are given to us. Thank you for the mind-provoking questions that you asked, and thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Great. So Devansh, again, when the recording comes, open it and see the timing and try to. Okay. Now, Astha ma'am, Mukesh sir, since we are practicing, everybody.
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
May I start?
Sure, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this wonderful session. And it was like we were not aware that public speaking has so many tricks and tips. And even you told us that it has science beyond. So it's something new that we have learned today. And it's really wonderful to join this session. And we would definitely wish that you come again and again and take many more sessions so that we can learn many more things and many new things. Thank you so much, ma'am, once again.
Thank you, Astha ma'am. Fantastic. Wonderfully tried. Right. I would say wonderfully tried. Thank you. Mukesh sir. Mukesh sir is smiling and he's ready.
I had to start the timer because I want to know down whether I've done for 60 seconds.
Right.
Well, ma'am, please accept my heartfelt gratitude to you and as well as the whole team behind this scene also. It is my passion to become a public speaker, and I'm trying very hard for that. Taken some sessions, and your session, by attending your session, there are so many areas which have come up with new ideas, new strategies, specifically the voice modulation, specifically how to take the attention of the audience, how to grab them in your speech, in by your voice. That has definitely enlightened me a lot, and definitely I'm going to use these all techniques in my speeches, my sessions. In my school as a teacher, I used to take so many sessions of the students mainly, and as well as my staff members also. I've taken some session of other school staff members also. So definitely these all sessions, whatever I have done, the experiences which I have got. Now today, means after 2 days, what I'm thinking that this all experience are actually polished. Slightly, I have understood that there is a lot I need to learn, I need to practice, and there is a lot of scope in public speaking. And I will definitely love to have you as my audience one day and have your feedback on that day.
Yeah. Look forward. I'm feeling so happy. Right. Thank you, Mukesh. Very well tried. Very well tried. Let's all clap for each other. Anybody else who would like to try? We are all open. We are going to listen to every single person. Yeah. Anybody who would like to try?
Yes, ma'am. May I start?
Sure, sure.
Okay. So, firstly, I would love to thank each and everyone from the core of my heart. Thank you very much, Sapna ma'am, for realizing each and every problem, challenges faced by public speakers so well and so personally. And each and every tip given by you worked so well. And after this 2 days session, I'm feeling much more confident, much more focused, and getting to know more about my weak points and how I can improve them. And I'm really proud to be a part of this session. Thank you, each and everyone.
Wow, well tried. So now after the session, everybody also gets the recording. You will see the timings and keep improving. ये थोड़ा छोटा था, but very nice, very well tried, Ivana ma'am.
Thank
Great.
you so much, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. And I just saw you. You're so pretty. Yeah. Okay. Anybody else who would like to try? Right. Fair enough. So all yours, not necessarily those who wish we are all over here. After this also, please remember, try to record yourself, record multiple sessions of yours, upload it anytime you feel it an unlisted thing and share it. We will have a look and we can give you some feedback. Right. So the group till the time the certificates come to you will be active. After that, we'll merge this group into the skill group of ours. So where we keep updating. Right. Hi, Shweta. I'm just seeing you after a long time. How are you? Yeah. You're on. Yeah. That's very nice. So, can we consolidate the workshop? I think has went off very well. I'm so glad that each one of you took out time for yourself. Because when it is public speaking, actually, you are trying to impact many lives. But first, it's very important to upskill and train yourself. So I'm so proud to know each and every one person is over here because not everyone invests on themselves. Because if you have decided to invest in yourself, that means you are surely different than the others. So with this, be the best public speaker. They are my best wishes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
And
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
so much. I got to name so many things from you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
For this wonderful session, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.